Hello students, I am Vijay Kumar, your maths teacher. Today in this video we will discuss class 8 maths Ganita Prakash part 1 chapter 1 a square and a cube. And now we will discuss cube root of a number. So first I have written the cube of some numbers, that is cube of 1 is 1 cube, and that you can find by multiplying 1 3 times. So 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. And 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. And 3 cube, answer is 27. And 4 cube, answer is 64. So from this we can write, if cube of 1 is 1, cube root of 1, that is cube root of 1, that we can write mathematically like this. It is put the radical sign and inside you write 3, cube root of 1. Cube 3 means cube root. If nothing is written, then you can read it as square root. If it is simply written like this, it is square root of 1. And if 3 is written inside the radical sign, that is cube root. We will read it as cube root of 1. So 1 cube is 1. So cube root of 1, that is 1. That is the inverse process. And here 2 cube is 8. So cube root of 8 is 2. 8 we can write from here 2. And here also cube root of 27, that is equal to 3, because 27 we are getting multiplying 3 times. Now cube root of 64, that we can write it as 4. Now if the numbers are very large, suppose if you are given a big number, we can take the one example, that is 1728. In this first we have to do the prime factorization. So first I am going to do the prime factorization of 1728. It is an even number, so we can divide with 2. 864, then again with 2. That is, you divide with 2. Half of 864 you have to write here. That is 432. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4. Here 1 will come, remainder 1, and 12. 2 16. Again with 2. So 108. Then again with 2. 54. Divide with 2. 27. Now 3. Again 3. Again 3. Then last 1. So if you want to find the cube root of 1728, first we have done the prime factorization. In the case of big numbers, first you have to do the prime factorization, then you write the given, express the given numbers, prime factorization. 1728, first you write the prime factorization. 2 is coming 6 times. Now 3 is coming 3 times. We want the cube root of 1728, cube root. So you have to mention 3 here. It is compulsory. Now for finding the cube root, first we have to do the grouping, that is with the 3 same numbers. First group 3 numbers should be there and that 3 numbers should be same also. Now again make the group of 3 numbers and all the 3 numbers should be same. Again a group of 3 numbers. Here also all the 3 numbers are same. Now when we find the cube root, from each group one group will come outside, and from the second group also one number will come outside, third group also one number will come outside. Now multiply and write, this answer is 12. So in this way you can find the cube root of given number. Finding the square root also, first you do the prime factorization. Finding the cube root also, first you do the prime factorization. Prime factorization, you have to remember only use the prime numbers for division. Then after that express the number as a product of prime numbers. And in case of cube root, make a group of 3. Otherwise in square root we are making a group of 2, and here cube root, so we have to make a group of 3 same numbers. So first group here 3 same number, second group also 3 same number, now third group also 3 same numbers. In each group 3 numbers are compulsory and that 3 numbers should be same also. Now when you find the cube root, take one number from each group. Here 3 2s are there, from that 1 2, and from the second group also 3 2s are coming, from that 1 2 will come outside, and here also from the 3 numbers 1 3 will come outside. So here we got the answer 12. I hope all of you understood.